Ever ask AI for something simple and just get questions back? Yeah, we're going to fix that.
This is what I'm talking about. Vague prompts mean vague results, and that's just a waste of time.
Here's a good way to think about it. Treat the AI like a brand new intern. It needs specifics.
So how do you give those perfect instructions?
Well, there's a simple, really powerful framework for that.
It's called the CLEAR framework, a really simple way to remember exactly what the AI needs.
Okay, first up is C for context. You got to tell the AI who you are and what's going on.
Then you've got L for length. How long should it be? A few sentences, a whole page? Tell it.
E is for examples. This is all about the style. Should it sound friendly, professional, maybe even witty?
And then A is for audience. Who is this for? Are you talking to new customers or loyal clients?
Finally, R is for result. This is crucial. What do you want the reader to do next? Okay, let's see it in action. We'll use a moving company follow-up email as our example.
And boom, look at that. A perfect, ready-to-use email in seconds. No follow-up questions needed.
Now what's really cool is this works for way more than just emails. It's super versatile.
You can use it for social media posts, website content, heck, even for generating images.
So here's the bottom line. You don't have to be some kind of expert prompt engineer.
You just need to be clear. That's how you really unlock the power of AI for your business.